With the presence of our commissioners here today, Fritz and Comwawit and NSTIA, that in 2026 we will already, Philippine Sports Commission and NSTIA will support the 2026 Tour of Luzon.
Sir Ari. Sir Ari, 6 stages tayo last year. May additional na 6 for a total of 14. Sa Great Revival and then sa Heritage in Motion. Is there a plan or any change for a history-making edition na masurpass natin yung record na classic na longest tour sa Pilipinas na 24 stages na napanalunan ni Maui Reynante noong 1977?
Tuwing nag-uusap kami ni MVP, he's always challenging me. Kailangan medyo, sabi nga niya nung we were presenting the first edition nung 2025, dapat isama natin yung mga nasa southern parts ng Luzon. But unfortunately, we didn't have time. This time, sa 2026, we lengthened, no? We almost doubled the stages from 8 to 14. Sasama sana namin yung sa Legazpi, sa Mount Mayon. But yun nga, pumuputok siya, and then DPWH also had this primary program to rebuild the Maharlika Highway. So siguro yan, isasama natin yan. Kung 14 ngayon, kasama yung mga yan, and it's gonna grow. Subukan nating pantayan o kundi higitan yung 24 stages yan in the future. And the promise is it's gonna get bigger and better. No? Basta't hanggang nandyan si MVP na sumusuporta sa atin and Metro Pacific Tollways Corporation, makakaasa tayo dyan.